Hi and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of ASO, App Store optimization for the Xiaomi App Store, also known as Mi App Store or GetApps. If you've ever wondered how apps show up in search results or how to increase your app's visibility, this video is for you. App stores are dynamic digital marketplaces where users discover, purchase, and download mobile applications. In 2024, global app downloads surged to 168 billion, marking an 8.7% increase from the previous year. Android apps accounted for over 102 billion of these downloads, reflecting a 12.76% growth. As of the first quarter of 2024, Android maintained its dominance with approximately 71% global market share, while iOS held just under 30%, remaining popular among Apple users. The two primary platforms are Google Play for Android and the Apple App Store for iOS. But with the rise of smartphones from Chinese brands like Xiaomi, several alternative stores have emerged. Some of them include Xiaomi App Store, pre-installed on Xiaomi devices, especially popular in China and India. Huawei App Gallery, built as a response to US sanctions, now a core platform for Huawei users. Samsung Galaxy Store, tailored for Samsung devices. Each of these app stores has its own audience and requirements, which means ASO strategies must be tailored for each. Today, we're focusing on the Mi App Store. In future videos, we'll cover the others too. Mi App Store, officially known as GetApps, is Xiaomi's official marketplace for downloading and installing apps on MIUI-based devices. Launched in 2013, it serves as the default app store on all Xiaomi phones. Key features of Mi App Store: localized content, popular apps vary by region, and the store highlights them accordingly. Strong security. All apps are checked for malware and other risks. Support for local payments, especially useful in regions where global payment systems are less common. Tools for developers, built-in analytics, and promotional options to improve app visibility and downloads. Frequent promotions, discounts, events, and special campaigns help boost user engagement. For Android developers, the Mi App Store offers an additional distribution channel, particularly valuable in Xiaomi's strongest markets. Let's take a closer look at what matters most for ASO in Xiaomi's App Store. These elements directly impact how your app ranks in search results and recommendations. Visible elements for users: app title, one-line description, also known as the subtitle, full description, app icons, screenshots. Starting with the app title, this is one of the most significant indexed fields in the store, with a limit of 50 characters. Your title should naturally incorporate the most relevant keywords without appearing spammy. It's advisable to place primary keywords at the beginning and ensure the title is clear, readable, and accurately reflects your app's core functionality. Moving on to the one-line description, or subtitle, which has a formal limit of 96 characters, though approximately 50 characters are typically displayed. This field is indexed and assists both search algorithms and users in understanding your app. It's important to use declarative sentences, avoid questions, and keep the description concise and clear. There are several strategies for crafting subtitles. You might focus on features, describing what your app does, such as photo editor or AI assistant. Alternatively, you could use a slogan turning keywords into a catchy phrase like Temu shop like a billionaire. Highlighting seasonal or trending events is another approach, promoting limited time offers like Shopping 11.11 Festival. Now let's discuss the full description. Here you have up to 4,000 characters to elaborate on key features, user benefits, and any ongoing promotions. Remember, only the initial lines are visible at first, so start with the most compelling information. Focus on the advantages and practical uses of your app. If you're targeting a global audience, ensure the description is available in English or the language of your target region. The MI App Store provides an 80-character keywords field that significantly impacts your app's search ranking. To utilize this effectively, separate each keyword with a semicolon. Avoid using competitor brand names, steer clear of long or generic terms, and do not repeat words already present in your app's title or description. For optimal results, select up to 8 concise keywords, ideally under 10 characters each. Combine these into short, relevant phrases that accurately reflect your app's functionality and align with user intent. Maintain a clean list using only semicolons as separators without spaces or extra punctuation. Additionally, adapt your keywords to suit each target region and language, ensuring cultural and linguistic relevance. By thoughtfully curating and organizing your keywords in harmony with your app's title, subtitle, and description, you can significantly enhance its visibility in search results, leading to increased downloads and user engagement. Currently, there are no known platforms exclusively dedicated to keyword research for My Store. However, as an ASO specialist, I recommend utilizing ASO tools designed for Google Play, such as ASOMobile, since both platforms operate on Android and share similar algorithms. While My Store's traffic volume is lower, the popularity of keywords in Google Play can serve as a guide for prioritizing queries. In the description and suggestions, you'll find a video on how to search for keywords and optimize metadata for Google Play. Use these tips to create effective metadata for My Store in ASOMobile. Additionally, you can use my promo code FIRSTREE to receive a 30% discount. Let's move forward. Next, let's cover the app icon. Although it's a visual element, the app icon plays a key role in attracting attention and improving conversion rates. The required format is PNG with a resolution of 512 by 512 pixels. Your icon should be sharp, clear, and well-proportioned. Avoid blurry, stretched, or cluttered designs. A strong icon communicates the app's purpose instantly and helps it stand out in search results. Now, let's talk about screenshots. Screenshots give users a preview of your app's interface and functionality. You can upload between 3 to 8 images in PNG or JPG format. Recommended resolutions are 1080x2400 or 1080x120 pixels, with a maximum file size of 2 MB each. Make sure your screenshots reflect the actual app interface. Avoid repetitive images and highlight key features that show the value of your app. Keep the layout clean, maintain visual consistency, and preserve default phone UI elements like signal, time, and carrier name. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the key points for ASO in the Xiaomi App Store. Make sure to use relevant keywords in all indexed fields, but don't overdo it. Localize your content to match the languages of your target regions. Pay attention to conversion. Your icon and screenshots should clearly show the value of your app. And of course, keep an eye on your reviews and ratings. The better they are, the more visibility your app gets. Publishing your app on the My Store can open the door to millions of new users, especially across Asia. If you understand how the platform works and optimize accordingly, you'll boost your visibility, get more downloads, and grow faster. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips to grow your app with ASO. See you in the next video.